Scientists discover a slug that can decapitate itself and then grow a new body.
Nice.
I like this little gift. Look at this little. It's a kind of a cool looking slug, by the way, with the lime green look. Kind of looks like a kiwi. Hey,
Yeah.
You ever eat a kiwi?
They're great.
I feel you don't eat it that much, though.
I don't eat it.
No,
that
I
often,
can
as
tell.
Much as
because you know what the
want to.
problem is getting the skin off. It's such a nightmare without cutting off too much of the fruit itself.
It's a challenge.
I had a kiwi in a long time. The bizarre discovery could pave the way for advances in regenerative medicine for humans. In a recent study, scientists observed 2 species of sea slug that were able to self-decapitate, survive for weeks without organs, and regenerate entirely new bodies. I want to do that right now. I feel like crap. I'm exhausted. I'm stressed out. I want to decapitate, regenerate, start over.
That doesn't. You don't shed your problems. Though.
I think I do.
It's just your.
I want a new body. Well,
okay.
I want a brand new body, a fresh one.
Right, like this slug over here.
Yes. Imagine the outlook if you could just decapitate, grow a new body. Well, obviously, the slug's body is a little bit less complex than a human one, but they're saying could have implications for regenerative medicine for humans. The study authors proposed that the slugs are able to survive as severed heads because of the unique way they obtain energy from algae. While other animals engage in self-amputation to avoid predators, the study authors suggested that sea slugs might shed their bodies to avoid dying from parasites. Like, imagine this. You got the stomach flu.
Yeah.
And you're just like... Just wipe out the body because it's terrible, grow a new one, start fresh.
Yeah.
That might be a lot of work for just one stomach flu, but you see where I'm going here, Will. I don't know what type of injury it is that you're going to sustain in your life, what type of terrible injury. But when you do, you best be looking to the studies on the sea slugs because you might be able to regenerate something. I don't know.
Yeah. It's cool.